just a brief summary of the LiftBoard weight room display. And so just using this to let you guys see it, give you an idea of how it works, and hopefully help you guys with your training and your planning going forward. And so what you're looking at right here is your warm-up display. And so when you're using the LiftBoard, you can create a warm-up display, and then you have your main workout display. And so you can see here, here's our warm-up. You've got a timer that's a countdown timer for till the workout starts, is how I use it. And then you've got some notes here. Hey, grab a sheet. And then you've got some notes up top of have a spotter. That's going to show up in the main lift. School name or business, whatever that may be. And then whatever the workout is, I have pulled from there. And so let's say we want to get started here. We hit start workout. You see that timer is going to go down for you. All right, let's just pretend that we waited 10 minutes. Now we're going to go to begin main workout. And so that's going to take us to our main lift. So you'll see here, you've got your stations. Now, when you're writing stuff up in the document, you can have all the stations you want. There's really, 5 as probably is the most I would do on just kind of the view of things, fitting on a screen. But again, you can mess with it and see what looks good and what does not. But as you can see here, I've got 4. And so first station, station B, C, and D, you've got your main lifts paired with stuff. When you write stuff out, you can have just kind of a flat, hey, sets, reps. You can have sets, reps plus a load. You can then also do a customized rep scheme. So 5 sets at 50% on this bench press, 4 sets at 60, 4 reps, 3 reps at 70. And then like, for example, this 80%, you got 5 sets of 2 at 80%. So you can have those custom loads that you would like and break those out and write those out. And then from there, vertical jump, some box jumps and some rows. Again, you've got your sets and reps. You've got your notes here as well for station D. And then if you want kids to record stuff, you've got to check a box here when you write out your workouts. And then there's going to be a teal box in record. And so you've got custom timers you can put on this. So you hit start workout. You've got your countdown here. First station, set 1 of 8. And then on your bottom right, there's some navigation tools if you need to change or go different rounds. Restart a round, restart the clock, go back to warm up, reset the whole workout, things of that nature. And I'll let this count down. But you're also going to get the sound with it when you go, which isn't going to work on our video, but you've got a sound that pops out on the TV or whatever you're using on the speakers. And again, it just goes and goes and goes. So I have this set up for 3 stations, 8 sets each one. And then once it goes down to 8 and it gets through that 8th station, it'll then say second station and go. You can have transition times, you can have rotation times, all these things, a customizable clock there. And so just to give you just a brief kind of view here is when we are within this document, you've got an exercise library to help choose workouts. You have a custom scheme. So in other words, we're talking about the sets and reps that you can use here. Your workout view. These are your planning documents to write your workouts. So you can have as many tabs as you want of that. So I've got football and baseball here. And then you have your daily workout, which this is what you can use if, hey, I don't want to write out a huge training plan or workout and cycle. I just want to get stuff displayed. You can use this tab for that. And so if you got questions, please let me know. But man, I just wanted to give you guys a quick summary of it, and hopefully you guys can use it and get what you need out of it. If you got questions, please reach out.